Here's how to fix bad sound quality issue in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. In the top right corner, make sure View By is set to large icons. Then, select Sound from these options. Once this window opens, go to the Playback tab at the top, where you'll see a list of your available audio devices. Make sure the correct output device is selected. If you're using your laptop speakers, select those as your default device. If you're using headphones, select your headphones instead, then click Set Default. It's also a good idea to disable any audio devices you're not currently using. To do this, simply right-click the device you don't need and select Disable. Next, right-click your active speakers or headphones and select Properties. Here, open the Levels tab and make sure the volume slider is turned all the way up. Then, go to the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, you can try switching between the available sample rates and bit depths. For example, you can test 16-bit and 24-bit options to see which one provides better sound quality on your system. After that, look for the Signal Enhancement section. If you see an option called Enable Audio Enhancements, make sure it's unchecked. Once you've made these changes, click Apply and then OK. Close the remaining window and test your audio to see if the sound quality has improved. If you're still experiencing problems, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Here, expand the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Now, locate your audio device from the list. The name will vary depending on your computer. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Next, open the Driver tab and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, look for High Definition Audio Device and select it. If you don't see this option, uncheck the Show Compatible Hardware box. Then, select Microsoft from the manufacturer list and choose High Definition Audio Device. Click Next and follow the instructions to install the driver on your computer. Once the installation is complete, test your speakers or headphones again. By following these steps, you should be able to improve or fix poor sound quality on your Windows computer. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.